everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Shawn's the name and credit is the game today. Now I know that a lot of you really like the credit videos that I make on this channel, so today I wanted to talk about a new strategy on how you can build credit for only $1 a month. It's new, it's exciting, and best of all, it is so dang cheap. So if you need to boost your scores 20 to 50 points, then hang tight because this video is for you. Now, I want to be fully transparent in this video because my goal on YouTube is to help as many people as possible. Now, with that being said, I'm going to be talking about something called Seedfi today. So first, let me talk about what it is, how it benefits you, and then I want to talk about how it actually came to my attention, which is super important. So first of all, Seedfi is a modern day solution to the classic catch-22 of needing to fix your credit, but to fix your credit, you need good credit. Now, typically, to fix credit, you need to get a new and recent credit card or loan. But to get a credit card or loan, you need to have good credit. So what the frick do you do? Well, I've talked about it before, but the simplest and quickest solution is get added as an authorized user on someone else's card who has an 800 credit score already. Unfortunately, not everyone has the ability to do this. And that's why I really like Seedfi. They have a couple of products to help with this paradox, but today I'm only really going to be focusing on the credit builder plan. And here's how it works. Okay, you essentially take a loan out against yourself. The easiest way to describe it is with an example, okay? So let's say you choose to do a loan amount of $500, all right? Seedfi puts $500 into a savings account and locks it up for you to get later. Best part is you're going to be able to choose what your payment plan details actually are. So, you can choose to set aside $20 a paycheck to be applied towards this loan. Loan is in air quotes because, again, you're borrowing against yourself. But if you pay $20 every 2 weeks when you get paid, you'll have it essentially paid off, again, paid off, in about 12 months. Now, once you have that loan paid off, it all gets kind of put back in your savings account if you want to start spending it again. And what's essentially happening is you're making a bunch of on-time and some great payments on this loan that's being tracked to the credit bureau. So all 3 credit bureaus are going to absolutely love this on-time regular payment that you're making towards your loan, aka yourself. And the best part about all of this is you are literally paying a single $1 a month for this kind of service. There's no interest rate on the money you're paying back. There's no startup fee. There's no junk fee to milk you for more money. No, it's literally costing you a single $1 a month. Now, some of you might say, Shawn, something like this already exists. This isn't some new and exciting way to kind of build credit. And you're right, there are similar services out there that does this. But the reason I'm so amped up and excited about it and wanted to make a video on it is because competitors to a product like this are charging way more than $1. And I know this because I refer a bunch of my mortgage clients to get set up on a payment plan like this. And most of them have pretty high interest rates. They might have rates between 5 to 15%. They might have administration fees. They might have startup fees, monthly fees. They're way more expensive. And I've always thought that that was the norm because you're getting a great service to build your credit and you're just paying a little bit of a fee or some servicing to the company doing it because they're building your credit by reporting it to the credit bureaus. So when I found out that Seedfi does it for $1, I was like, how does this even work? So I started diving in deeper to try to figure out what's the catch. And I was reading through all of their disclosures to try and figure out where are they making their money. So I legit just went straight to Seedfi and asked them straight up, how are you guys making money on this product? And what they said is really the reason why I wanted to make this video. They said, we're not gonna lie, we know with our credit builder plan product that we're probably going to be taking a small loss. But we're okay with that as we want to bring as much value to customers as possible in hopes that they refer us family and friends and then eventually take a look at some of our other products like Borrow and Grow Plan. And real quick, just for those of you who didn't see on their website, the Borrow and Grow plan is also pretty incredible. It's essentially a product where you can access up to $4,000 in cash if you need it, whether you want to pay down some other high interest rate debt or deal with some collections or whatever you need to do to kind of improve your credit. It's another phenomenal product that they offer. And that was kind of the basis behind, well, we might take a loss on, our dollar program, but we might make some more money in our Borrow and Grow plans and maybe in some future products that they roll out, which I've looked at, and there's still not that much money that that they are making. And that is what I call a phenomenal business plan, and is what I think all businesses should strive for. Their primary goal isn't to make money. Their primary goal is to actually help people. And when they help people, they know that their business is going to grow far quicker because their primary goal is helping them. So the side effect of helping people is essentially making money, because the more people you can help, the more your business is going to grow. And I absolutely love this business model from Seedfi. That's hands down how I personally go about building all of my businesses, whether it's mortgages, direction desk, my YouTube channel, whatever I'm doing. My primary goal is to always help people. I know that if I'm going to help people, it's going to come back around and grow my business in turn, which it has. And that's actually why I wanted to make this video, because anyone willing to help other people definitely deserves their voice to be heard. And I wanted to be transparent with you in this video, as I mentioned at the beginning. Seedfi actually reached out to me and asked me to do kind of a paid promotion or some sort of affiliate-based agreement on making this video and telling more people about Seedfi. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I get hundreds of emails about partnerships of products that mean nothing to my channel, or they might relate to my channel, but I would never promote them out. Seriously, 95% of these emails and these brand deals that I get go straight to my trash folder because it is not worth the squeeze. It's simple. I make videos on YouTube to educate and to help people. I talk about subjects that I'm an expert in, that I can shed some light and some knowledge to others who might not be in that industry or have that kind of knowledge. My primary focus is always helping people, not to make money. Sounds familiar, right? And that's why when Seedfi reached out and I actually looked into the product, it intrigued me a ton, and I wanted to learn more about it. Well, when I was starting to learn more about it and I learned about the business plan and what they were purely trying to do, I didn't need to accept any type of affiliate commission or any type of sponsored money to make this video. Their product and their products, I should say, help people. My channel is here to help people. There was too much of a correlation that I straight up told them I'm going to make this video for free just because I think it's going to help people. So I am in no way, shape, or form earning a single penny off this video from Seedfi. But I highly recommend that if you are looking to build your credit or access any of their kind of great products they've got rocking and rolling, then head over to their website, seedfi.com. I mean, no affiliate links, no nothing. Their modern day value proposition in the financial space is pretty much unmatched. If you go look at some of my previous videos, or even you go look at a bunch of other kind of competitors in this space, no one will come close to $1 a month in a program like this. Yeah, anyway, hopefully my point came across. But before I end this video, I want to show you real quick how easy it is to get set up with a credit builder plan, because I know that a lot of people are always kind of stressed out when it comes to anything credit related. So I'm going to show you how easy it is real quick. All right, so you essentially just apply for the plan on seedfi.com, which, by the way, another massive thing about this, there is no credit check to get this. None. I actually totally forgot to talk about that, because that is another amazing perk that Seedfi offers. Most of the time when you're getting programs like this to rebuild your credit, a lot of companies and a lot of services are actually denying you. So you're going through all of these credit checks, worsening your credit until you finally find a product or a solution to improve your credit. Seedfi doesn't even check your credit because they know you're trying to build your credit. So get the program, get started, start making your payments to yourself, and start building your credit. Anywho, when you apply, okay, you pick the loan terms, right? Not Seedfi. You get to pick it. So you pick how much you want to pay, how much you want to put towards it each paycheck, pick the term, etc. Then, once you're happy with what you picked, you're good to go. Again, I really just enjoy great products like this. I should say great modernized financial products like this that are definitely worth telling more people about. So again, if you're in that boat, definitely go the route of Seedfi. Ultimately though, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Again, that's what I'm always here for. And even though Seedfi is really cheap at $1, it's free 99 to support me by liking the video, commenting down below, and sharing this with a friend. So I would appreciate that a bunch. I do spend a ton of hours on these videos every single week, so a little bit of support goes a long way with your buddy Shawn, all right? Otherwise, I hope you got some good value out of this video. Good luck on building your credit. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.